All right, so let's have a look at what 5-out motion looks like. We have actually tried this before a couple of times in practice, but it's probably a good idea just to review what it is, um, so that it becomes second nature to us, this kind of motion. Um, so this is when we're playing 5-out, and so it starts with player one, so the point guard dribbling up to the top of the key, and once we're in this formation and we're not running a set play, then this is basically what we're going to be doing. So player one is going to pass to player three, cut towards the basket. There's going to be filling by 2 and 4. Player one runs to the left corner. Um, so just kind of watch the animation, notice what's happening. There's a screen here by player five. Player five cuts to the basket. Player five goes to the left corner. Pass. This is called a V cut. We run towards the basket and then run back. Player four moves. Yeah, so animation happens fairly quickly. Um, so this is the general motion. So a pass, screen for player two, player five cuts. There's filling that happens. Player five runs to the right corner, pass. Player two V cuts. Player four passes to player one, cuts. Player two fills. Player four fills. Okay, let's run it one more time. Okay, so a pass. Player one cuts. Players two and four fill. Player one fills. Player three passes to player five, cuts, fills. Okay. Screen by player five for player two. Player five cuts. There's filling that happens. Player five fills. And then we have a V cut by player two. Okay, and it just keeps on happening. Okay, and so we will practice this on Monday during the practice. But I think before we do that, make sure that you have, you have learned what the motion is like. Okay, so just to recap, um, there's going to be a screen initially. So once the ball does get all the way to, in this case, the right corner. Okay, so yeah, and then now there's a cut, fill, and now there's going to be a screen by player five. Player two uses that screen. Player five cuts. There's filling. Player five runs to the left corner. Pass. Now this is a V cut now. So there's, instead of another screen, there's just a V cut. Yeah. Player one cuts. Player two and four fill. Player one fills. And now we're in the left corner. We have a screen for player two. Player two uses that screen. Player five cuts. Filling happens. Player five fills. Pass by player two. Player two V cuts. So basically just runs back to where she was. And that's the whole motion. Okay, so you can replay it. You can also play it in slower motion if you like. We'll have a drill on this on Monday.